guys, this is welcome to PAARTHA'S world. Today I'm going to show you a science experiment. You need 15 inches of vinegar, balloon and a filter, test tube, baking soda and a scoop. First, add the vinegar to the test tube and hold it. I'm going to use my mom here to hold it for me. Next, adding some baking soda in 2 scoops of baking soda into the balloon. I have hard time scooping this last scoop. This is hard, you guys. That's why I got my parent here. Now add it to the filter. I'll say it again. Oh! No! Okay. Sorry, guys. It was a mistake break. Okay, I'm going to add some more baking soda. Okay, never mind. Okay. Okay. Next, get your parent to fill the mouth with the test tube. Mom. Just give your parent for a time. Be careful, Ma. Don't pour the baking soda like you always pour. Now, see as it fill up, big and big. This is a science experiment with your parent. Bye. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.